Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Just a really short and quick one. I told you the other day I was going to be doing a video on these caches that I'm putting together. As you can see, I've got a load of stuff on the table right there. I've also got my winter box there, the box on the floor. The box just above it is the virus kit that I put together. This is the emergency food winter box. Just been going through it, checking it, making sure that, you know, use up the stuff that's got a sell by date or a use by date on them, although a lot of the stuff can go way past the dates. Just over here quickly is the virus box that I made. So just go check down in my videos and you'll see the virus kit that I put together, and you'll also see last year I put this winter box together in these nice handy boxes. And like I'm saying, I'm preparing the two buckets that I'm going to be filling up today. So watch this space. What I'm going to do now is go in my kitchen and show you what else I've been up to. Okay, so I'm in my kitchen. Let me just show you my kitchen. My kitchen at the moment is in a bit of a state. As you can see, it's not a very big kitchen and I've got stuff all over the place. So starting off over here, my bleaches, my spray bottles, some other spare bottles over here in the corner. Always handy to keep your bottles, recycle them. Here I've got my dog spray, my cleaning Dettol which I've got to refill, and this is another bottle here that I've got some cleaning stuff in there as well. Here I have some Isopropanol, 99.9% alcohol. I've got this so I can make my own hand sanitizer. So watch this space. I'm going to be doing a video on that as well shortly. Like I said, my kitchen's a bit of a state, so forgive the dishes in the sink there. I've been cleaning socks by hand in my bathroom. This is another video I'll be doing soon. Watch this space on Colloidal Silver. Fantastic stuff, kills bacteria and viruses. Very healthy, got loads of other uses. Also, I'll be doing a video soon on my garden. At the back there, I need to clean that window. Okay, down here, I've stocked up on dog food. I'm having to go into the emergency supplies, but it's a good thing that I did have the emergency supplies. Got the old ardent grains down here for my CJ the puppy, and I've got some food here as well for Sam. She's a bit overweight, so I put her on a bit of a diet on the ardent grains light. Nice chicken and rice there. Along here, just move my cup of tea out of the way. More dog food. Just put it down here on the table. Okay, in here I've got some more things going on. Just quickly show you my cupboards. Have to refill some of the stuff up there. Show you how I organise it. Spices, salt, vinegars, sauces, etc. Down here, got myself a load of water the other day, like a couple of weeks ago from Marks and Spencer's. 50p for 2 litres, fantastic spring water from Scotland. Here's a little idea for you guys. If you do get milk, clean the bottles out with a little bit of bleach and then fill them up with water. You can use this. This is actually tap water. I use that for cleaning dishes. So every time I use up a milk bottle, I clean them out, put some water in them. Here as well, I used to have some yogurt in these ones. Fantastic little buckets with handles on them. Basically, I kept them, cleaned them out. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to put in them. Always good to keep your jars, recycle your jars, clean them out. You can put food in them. Okay, excuse the noise. Also, these tins used to have honey, and this bottom one I've got a load of fresh oregano, and this one is empty. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to put in there. Obviously, I've got my oats and some muesli right there, Swiss style muesli right here. So just wanted to show you that I've been really busy in my kitchen. Haven't really got loads of space, and space is taken up everywhere. Toilet roll up there. more toilet roll in there. I've always had loads of toilet roll. I've always been prepped up with that. Also in these bags I've got some charcoal, some little silver foil grills, if you can see that at the top there, just showing through, little silver foil grill type cooking thing. And in this bag here I've got some wood actually. I mean, if things get really bad, I've got a little supply of wood. I've got some charcoal. Obviously I've got more toilet roll up there, some tools up there. So yeah, that's on the table. I'll just show you that. My kitchen cupboard. It's a good time at the moment actually, just to, you know, go through your house, go through your supplies, and, you know, see what needs to be, refilled. I've got pastas up there, lentils up there that I've got to refill, and I've been going into my supplies and, you know, just checking out dates and stuff like that. Just close the kitchen, the oven door. Just wanted to show you, I've got another cupboard in here. So I've taken out all the stuff in here, got a couple of bags of pasta, down there my pots and pans. Yeah, just quickly, I'll show you what I've got in this cupboard. In here I've basically got a load of candles, load of fuel as well for me alcohol stoves, little bottle there ready to go. Just below that on another shelf, this is like home emergency stuff, little stove there, some gas, some fuel for my Zippo lighter, some other fuel there for me, the gas lighters. It's always handy to have. Candles ready to go. A little alcohol stove as well as a backup. And actually at the back there is another stove, just in case this one breaks or something like that. Okay, so that's that cupboard. In the kitchen, as you can see, got a lot of things going on down here. In these two containers I keep some more candles. Both of these have got candles. Just down here I've got some disposable cups, some plates, and in the back there's some knife and forks. Okay, let me just see if I can show you quickly. In here the knives and forks and a load of oil. Okay, so that's another cupboard. Always handy to have lots of candles. But another thing I wanted to show you on my table, got more food. Yes, so that's why I took out some stuff from the cupboard right there. Got some new stuff, bits and pieces here. Got some more water, 25 litres each of these bottles are. So I've got two already full up right here. This one's, I'm sort of thinking about it, what I'm going to do with that, whether I'm going to put some fuel in there, etc. And like you can see on the table, got some tin stuff, tin fruit, pastas, couscous. These are good in these jars. They're good to 2022 actually, the date on the top of them. But I might add some of this stuff in the caches as well, which I will be doing in the next video, guys. So watch this space. Let me just move my cup of tea out of the way. And yes, so basically it's all off in the kitchen. Like I said, dog food section, you know, things going on here. And in this cupboard down here, I've just got basically me washing up powder, liquid, sponges, spare plates, glasses, etc. Other bits and pieces in there. Always good to go through all your stuff. Even in the back there, if you can make out, I've got some empty tins. So basically they're going to be some homemade stoves that I'm going to be doing. I did do a hobo stove. If you check down in my videos, you'll see the hobo stove that I put together. So yes guys, so please watch this space. I'm getting myself organised. It's a good time at the moment to get organised. Like I said, I've got my Colloidal Silver right there, which I will be doing a video on soon. And you know, another thing quickly, as I've got more buckets down, it's all a good idea when you use up your bread, you get the bread bags. Okay, these bags are handy, so keep your bags, hoard a few of the bags, always very handy. And of course other bags in here that I keep as well. So just a quick and short one, quickly showing you the state of my kitchen at the moment. Sorry, it's a bit of a mess, but it's a good time at the moment to get yourself organised while you're at home. Find things to do, find things to keep yourself busy, and go through the dates of your food that you got, rotate it if you have to. Also prepare a you know, cache. I really would, you know, recommend that you do it. Be prepared for the future. We don't know what's going to happen. even though there's a virus at the moment, it's a bit of a smokescreen. I think there's other things going on, and we the people are not prepared at all, you know. So get yourself ready, get yourself prepped up, and if you have to go out and do more shopping, you know, it's better to have something that you don't need than to need something that you don't have. So just thought I'd show you a quick little video of what I'm up to. So watch out for the next video. It will be on the caches. I'm just trying to figure out what kind of stuff goes into the 2 caches that I'm doing at the moment. So just a quick one. Thumbs up from me. Take care of yourself, guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you really soon. God bless. Bye.